That's it.
Yes, that's it. Perfect.
Okay, thanks. The title of the project is called Development and Validation of a Clean Technology for the Integral Neutralization Treatment of Metallurgical Effluents and Tailings based on the use of calcareous agents. This project was co-founded by my Ministry of Productivity in Peru and my enterprise called Green Metallurgical Technologies. Is considered actually a success case because it's the only project in Peru that who generates green patents. No? And this project during 3 years ago, during a period of 3 years, basically is for treating all kind of tailings for obtaining commercial metals by metallurgical method calling leaching in bags, no? Who is applied in Cerro Toro tailing dam, which is located in the district of Huamachuco, province of Sánchez Carrión, department of La Libertad in Peru, which have a negative impact because artisanal mining generates contamination of rivers and soils, and the community has impacted, and we find a new solution for this kind of problems. Is because we transform the tailings into drinking waters and ecotechnological bricks. In that sense, we apply a technology called remediation method-MRTI, which is a method of remediation for reprocessing the tailings under their ore and reactivity are exhausted through the comprehensive detoxification treatment of contaminants in metallurgical tailings. But the techniques called very well known differential flotation technique with air and gravimetric concentration through the use of remedial agents like this. Remedial agents is a composite of natural non-metallics, and we use like raw material for reduce all kind of heavy metals present in tailings and effluents. In that sense, with our project, we have an integral treatment for the slurry, which is composed by tailing, and for the metallurgical effluent, no? Especially for flotation technique and gravimetric concentration. No? And we can transport these heavy tailings with the methodology that can reduce the parameters according to the national laws from Peru, like soil environmental quality standard, no? ECA suelo y ECA agua, and ECA agua is environmental quality standard. We can give more reduction than the legal environmental law Peru can be exhausted. The objective the technology is demonstrate the technical and economic feasibility on the conversion of metallurgical effluent and tailings into remediate effluent and tailings to the implementation of the comprehensive neutralization treatment of metallurgical effluents and tailings, which determines their in consequence to the low concentration of heavy metals comply with the environmental quality standard for water, ECA agua, and the environmental quality standard for soil, ECA suelo, of the Ministry of the Environment, which ensures his safety and his reuse as concrete aggregate for the production of ecotechnological bricks. This is ecotechnological bricks is a compacting cone, no? which is made from remediate tailing, no? And in that sense, we can manufacture in a future ecological house and infrastructure of the real estate sectors, no? Some characteristics or some scope of the technology is that it's a productive innovation project with a high technological impact for the mining sector, was financed by the National Innovation Program for Competitiveness and Productivity of the Ministry of Production under the modality of mapping competitive fund for the FIDECOM fund of the Ministry of Production and financed by International Monetary Fund. Clean technology provides a technical solution to the critical environmental problem on Peru, which is about 8,440 abandoned tailings through the implementation of a comprehensive remediation treatment of metallurgical tailings, which allows compliance with the soil environmental quality standards, SEQ SOIL, and determines its use as construction aggregates and as eco-technological bricks. The clean technology implements the integral tailings treatment remediation through the application of pollutant detoxification techniques in metallurgical tailings. We use the tailing cleaning, flotation, and the gravimetric concentration depending on the mineralogical nature of the tailings to be treated. Clean technology and or cleaning technology is an active chemical remediation which manage to reduce the initial concentration of the values of heavy metals or inorganic parameters according to the regulation of the soil environmental quality standard and convert the detoxified tailings into construction aggregate to manufacture eco-technological bricks. This technology is dedicated to the application of mining tailings in concrete mixture in order to recycle mining tailings and find an added value with a sustainable character in the towns near to the mining operation, where the incorporation of treated tailings is carried out as a new construction aggregate for the elaboration of masonry units, such as so-called eco-technological bricks, no? Like this, that will be implemented as new construction material in the construction of ecological housing, no? Especially in communities which lack infrastructure or household. Maybe another use of the ecotechnological bricks is for making houses in the beach, no? And in different zones of climate, no? And this clean technology allows the diversification productive, no? Through the generation of new product chains, no? Like agriculture, because our tailings can be used like land for agriculture as a fertilizer, and we can use a part for the water the treated effluent can be used like drinking water, no?
1 more minute, Silvana.
Sí.
Thank you.
I can continue.
Yes, if you can just keep it short to time. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. Well, in summarize, the scope of the project can be implemented a kick of green patents, of 8 green patents, based on cleaning technology for tailings, retreatment with circular economy with cleaner production. No? This is the list of the green patents. Well, the green patents are divided into two kinds. Some green patents for remediate effluents and some green patents for remediate tailings. the ecosystem related with remediate effluents is called remediac. It's the solution to water pollution for different kind of industries, especially mining. No, this is the green patent in Peru. The titles is for the production of remedial agents and his use in the neutralization and remediation metallurgical effluents. This is the next two as are related with the use of the mini reactor for the contaminate all kind of heavy metal dissolved into effluents and tailings. This is the prototype of mini reactor, hydrometallurgical and ecological mini reactor. No, general objective of REMEDIAC is only comply with accordance with the national laws regulation environmental in Peru, no, according a suelo and agua. Well, this is the composition of the remedial agent. No? Well, the remedial agent has high values of oxide calcium and oxide magnesium. Bueno, it's not toxic and is used for reduce all kind of heavy metal that you can imagine. No? And it can produce a new kind of water like drinking water. This is the reduce, no? The reduce is up to 99 percentage, no? For all heavy metals, copper, iron, cadmium, zinc. No? This is the chart of the reduce of heavy metal dissolved into metallurgical effluents. No? The reduction is high, no? Especially for cadmium, chromium, copper, iron, and antimonium. This is there are three charts, and the three charts in a point that the heavy metals can reduce. No? Well, our technology can be recognized by Geneva in 2013, no, with a silver medal, no, and by Korea the last year in Green Awards, Latin American Green Awards. No? Ecotechnological bricks has many green patents like this. Our main conclusion for our technology for metallurgical and tailings remediation is that we can transform the passive and into active. This is the resource. Well, the time is not enough, but however, I can try to explain in a summarize details. Well, the last presentation is the most important competitive advantage of our technology related with ecotechnological bricks. Excess technical regulation for compression resistance 399 in comparison with Peru 145, no? Almost three times, three value, no? No oven is needed for his manufacture, supply the scarce supply in Peru, and low cost of manufacturing. And it's for all kind of design of bricks in the world, no? Especially for house alto andinas. No? This is the recognition, and well, thank you very much for your attention. This is the context. Thanks.